Upgrade your digital world with the Mpad15 14-inch tablet, a powerhouse of performance featuring a massive 14-inch IPS display, 16GB RAM, 512GB storage, and Android 14. Cinematic display, 14-inch 1920 by 1200 IPS screen delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. Perfect for streaming, work, or creative projects. See every detail in stunning clarity. Unmatched power. Unisoc T616 octa-core CPU with 16GB RAM handles multitasking like a dream. Run 20+ apps, edit 4K videos, or game lag-free, all at once. Massive storage. 512GB RAM stores thousands of photos, movies, and files. Expand further via TF card. Never worry about space again. Pro-grade photography. 32MP rear camera captures DSLR-quality photos and videos. 8MP front camera perfect for video calls or content creation. Shoot like a pro. All-day endurance. 12,000 mAh battery lasts up to 11 hours, lab-tested. Binge-watch series, work remotely, or game for hours. Power through your day. Seamless connectivity, dual nano SIM slots, or SIM plus TF card. Make calls, browse 4G, and stay connected anywhere. Note, GPS not included. Imagine this, editing 4K videos on a 14-inch canvas, attending video calls with crystal clarity, and still having 50% battery after 10 hours. For creators, professionals, and power users who demand desktop-level performance in a tablet, this is the 2024 game changer. Explore it on Aliexpress, where innovation meets your ambitions.